Hello and welcome back to another video. In this problem, we're told that Juan purchased an antique that had a value of $200 at the time of purchase. Each year, the value of the antique is estimated to increase 10% over its value in the previous year. The estimated value of the antique 2 years after purchase can be represented by the expression 200A, where A is a constant. We're asked what is the value of A. So in the first year, we can think of it as year zero. Year zero is right at purchase, it's $200. In year one, it's $200 plus 10% of $200. So we can think of this as 100% of 200 because it's 200, plus 10% is going to be 110% of 200. What is 110%? Well, percent is a number out of 100, so this is 110 out of 100, which is 1.1. So this is equal to 1.1 times 200. What's year two? Well, you take your value from the previous year, 1.1 times 200, and you add 10% of that value, 1.1 times 200. This is equal to 100% of this value plus 10% of this value. You're seeing the pattern here. We have 110% of 1.1 times 200. What is 110%? We already found is 1.1. So this is 1.1 times the thing inside, 1.1 times 200. 1.1 times 1.1 is 1.21, right? 11 times 11, you can think of this and then just move the decimal point into, times 200. And we're told that 1.21 times 200 is equal to 200A. If we divide both sides of this equation by 200, these cancel, we get 1.21 is equal to A. We're asked what is the value of A, 1.21 is going to be your final answer. As always, thank you for liking and subscribing, and I'll see you in the next video.